Hello, this is Christine. Welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to show you how to create and format a Google document. You can see this procedure or document on the screen. I'm going to show you how I created this. So this is basically, it's 3 pages procedure. Okay, so for us to do that, I have opened a blank document here, and we will just imitate everything that is in this document. First thing we do every time we open a document is to assign a name. So in here, we're going to say PM report preparation. Okay, copy. We're going to say copy. So we know that this is just the dummy. And to insert the logo, we have to place our cursor up here on top and double click to open the header. Next, we're going to click insert image, and then because I already have that logo in my drive here in Google Drive, so I'm gonna select Google Drive and type logo, and we take that, select the logo and click insert. Click it once so you can range and adjust the size. If you click it double, it will allow you to crop the image. Click again to unselect the image, and your cursor must be here and you range it or align it center. Okay, and there you go, and then click out and you already have your logo. Next, we're going to put this title. So we don't want to copy paste it. So we say report preparation 1 initial document. So we set our text to align center because that will be our title. You want to hit enter to get to the next line. And then we type report preparation 1 initial documents. So we're going to set this text, we're going to format it just like this. So if you place your cursor here, click anywhere here, you would see that this is size 21 and trebuchet MS. Okay, so we're going to go back there and we highlight. You can also click Control A to select that everything, and we set this to 21. We click here on the number and select 21. If there's no 21, let's go 18, and then just increase the size to 21. And we want trebuchet MS, and we have to underline it. It's also underlined. So we highlight and underline, and there we go. We already copied the title. To make this tutorial a little bit shorter, I'm going to copy all these task details by highlighting them and then press Ctrl C to copy. Then I will move to the fresh document and then press Ctrl V to paste. Next, I'm going to highlight them again to remove their formatting so that I could show you how to format each of these titles and body text. So now they don't have any formatting. Now, there's another way. Actually, I can set this different styles so I don't have to keep repeating that until I finish the document. So what I'm going to do is I will click my cursor here and I'm going to set this style for that particular font size, color, and style basically. So I am going to click title because that's a title of my document, and I will say update title to match. And now the title style has changed and matches this format that we use here. Next, let's set the font styles for task details title. So we'll go back to styles up here, click down arrow, select heading, and then select update to match style. Next, we're going to format the titles like the task tutorials, and this will be our heading 2. So going back again to font styles, click heading 2 and click on update to match style. After that, we're going to set the rest of the font as our normal text, which is our body text as well. And so we're just gonna click on one line that to match that style, go back to heading, go back to styles, and then update to match. You have just preset your font styles for your whole document, and now you're ready to format all of the rest of your text. Next, you just have to highlight each title and select the desired font styles. This way, when you preset all of them, all you have to do is click the title and select the heading styles or the font styles for each headings. For numbered items, highlight them, apply the normal text font styles, and then click on the icon to apply the numbering. Now let's go to the next page. It says here, we're gonna have to add this line here, okay, because that's the end of the procedure. So we're gonna go back to that document, okay, and let's see why I don't have any space here, okay. So let's go back there and see what is the size of this. It's 10, okay. So all this is 10, right? You see that it's 10. So we have to change the normal text. So now I have to come back here and make all this 10. Do I have to highlight them one by one? No. What we need to do, because you already assigned styles for all this, you just change the first one, okay, and say 10, okay, and then go to normal text and click normal text and update, and everything else will change, okay. So this is also normal, okay. There you go. See, it adjusted on its own. So now we're going to add that. Like I said, we're gonna add this line. How to add that? We go back there, so we press enter, okay, and we're gonna add the line here. So go to insert tab and click horizontal line, and that's it. All right, next we have to place this text here at the bottom. We call that footer. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have to say report whatever the file is or whatever text you want to put on the footer. So what you do, just like what you did with the header, you double click it. This time we're going to go to the footer, hover your cursor on the footer and double click to open the footer. So we're going to just basically put the file name, and so when we print this out, the reference, okay, you know what document it is and what revision it is, okay. So I'm going to say here PM report preparation, copy, rev means revision. I'll just say 0, okay, because we're going to start 0, okay. And then you can put the date when we did this, and we say January 21, 2021. It means it has been revised, created on this date. Next, we have to go to the next page. So to go to the next page, you go to the bottom line here. You don't press enter, enter, enter. No, don't do that. So you go after the line, because the line has to stay there. You go after the line, press enter, and then from your keyboard, you click on control and then hit enter. In my case, I am using a Mac keyboard, so I'm going to press command and then enter, and it'll go to the next page on the first line. Okay, so what do we do on the next page? We are to use this text. Okay, so we say task tutorial video, and we need this icon right here. Okay, so maybe we're just gonna take this icon, and you will see that this icon has a link, and that's what I'm gonna teach you how to add that link. So let's just copy this. Let's say task tutorial video. I'm gonna type that here, task tutorial video, and as you can see, it's defaulting using the normal text. And then I'm gonna take this video icon. You can either right click and click copy, and you go to wherever you want to paste it and click Control V, or you can also right click, Control paste. We have a text underneath. I'm just gonna copy this for now, and I click onto the second line. To clear formatting of any font text, just go to Format and select Clear Formatting. And so I have to center it. How do we center a text? You go highlight it or click on anywhere and then click this center align. Now I need to make it italic. So I'm gonna do italic. We will also insert the link to the video under the title and this video icon. To copy this link, click on this pencil icon, highlight the copy, and then take it to the other document and insert the link. To insert a link, right-click on this image, watch video, and then select from the option link, and then paste the link that you want to insert and hit apply. So now this icon or this little video picture here now has a link to the video. If you click that, you'll be able to go to the video. And we will do the same thing here on this text. We highlight it, click this link icon to insert link, and just the same, you paste the link and apply. And there you go. We already have linked on this icon and this. But what about this? What are we supposed to do with this? How are we going to format that in red? Just like this. So what we do, we highlight that and we select the style, which is in red, that we have preset earlier. So say apply. Voila, that's done. To complete the next page, all you have to do again is just to format the titles and the body text and add the horizontal line, and you would be done with this document.